Welcome back, guys. So hope you are doing good. So I'm back with one of the most important topic in Java, that is object oriented programming concept, that is OOPS concept. Okay, so in this video we will cover what is OOPS concept and its use in projects. Okay, uh, the four important pillars of OOPS concept, that is abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Okay, so let's start with our first topic for this video. What is OOPS concept? Okay, so full form of OOPS is object oriented programming system. Okay, it's a programming concept that works on principle of abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Okay, these are OOPS concept are based on the principle of four pillars, that is OOPS concept are built on top of these four concepts: abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Okay, so in this in object oriented programming system, that is OOPS, it allows user to create object and create methods to handle those objects. Okay, so in OOPS concept all the things will go in object and methods concept. Okay, class and object concept, you can create multiple classes with multiple object, and you can use those object to create uh, the methods. Okay, to create method, you can create multiple methods to handle those objects. Okay, so basic concept of OOPS is to create object and reuse them throughout the program. Okay, and manipulate these object to get result. Okay, so we will see the practical implementation of these whatever written here, so don't worry about that. Okay, let's move to the abstraction part. Okay, so abstraction is one of the OOPS concept, as I told you, which is an representing essential feature without including background details. Okay, so name itself suggests that abstraction, that means abstract, means like summary. Okay, we will get only the essential features without including background detail. Okay, so it is a technique to create new data type that suited for the specific applications. Okay, so let's understand this with an object oriented programming concept with an example. Like when you driving a car, you don't concern about its internal working, that is how it is working in the while you start the car. Here you just need to concern about the parts like steering wheel, gears, and accelerator and brakes, like that. So you just need to concern like main features like gears, accelerator, brakes, and steer wheel. Okay, you don't need to worry about the internal working of that car. Okay, so that is the abstraction concept. In programming also we will use that. We will see the program for this one. Okay, further I will show you. And let's come to the inheritance. Okay, inheritance is one of the basic concept in OOPS which will acquires the property and behavior of the parent object. Okay, so from the parent object we get the properties and behavior to the child object. Okay, and it is a parent child relationship between two classes. All right, and it offers a robust and natural mechanism to organize structured way of any software. Okay, so we will be using this inheritance concept to implement our Selenium project. Okay, going further we'll use this inheritance concept. Okay, let's move to the third, like a polymorphism. Okay, refers to the concept which ability to of a variable or object or function to take multiple forms. Okay, so poly means many, morph means forms. Okay, polymorphism means many form. So for example, like in English language also, like verb has having different meanings. If you use it with a laptop, a food race, a business, here we understand the meaning of the run based on the other object. Okay, so same also operating polymorphism. Okay, we'll use same methods with different purposes and different meanings in the programming. Okay, so let's move to the encapsulation. So encapsulation is the binding of data and methods into single unit called class. Okay, so the variables of classes are always hidden from the other classes. It can be accessed from the methods and the current class. Okay, for example, in a school a student cannot exit without a class. Okay, so you can understand with this example, like in a school uh, a student cannot exit without a class. Okay, every student must be there in a class. So encapsulation is nothing but the binding of methods and the data members and the methods into a single unit called class. Okay, so each data we can access through the methods only. Okay, so that's about all this OOPS concept. Now we will going to see one by one, like these are all the uh, concept through the program. Okay, so practically how we are using. So before this I have already implemented this one, these classes for this concept. So see, the basic thing of abstraction we can achieve in the Java is using abstract class. Okay, so see, in this program I have let me full screen this one. Okay, now it is good. So I have created one class called car. Okay, so car having one constructor. Okay, that is this car uh, car constructor. Okay, constructor don't have it is same like class name. Construction name is same as a car class name. So car is built, so some message is there, and this is the abstract method. So it is abstract method, it is not implemented. So abstract class having abstract method. Okay, and one another method is also there, which is a gear change, and this is another class which is extending our abstract class. And in this class we will give the implementation of this abstract method. Okay, this drive method is implemented here, and we can only create the object of this class, like concrete class, like Tesla class is there. So created one another class which is having main method, which will create an object of this car Tesla, and by using that object we can call this drive method here. So this is drive method, which is an implemented method. Okay, and this is a gear change method, which is a method from the abstract class. Okay, so this is how we can implement this one, like this abstraction using abstract keyword. Okay, having abstract method and concrete method. Okay, so abstract class having both methods can exist, like abstract method and the concrete method, like fully implemented method. Okay, so let's move to the next, like inheritance. Okay, so inheritance, we can use inheritance by using we can achieve inheritance by using extends keyword. Okay, so see this one, I have created one animal class which having one method as a it. Okay, and this is another class called mammal, which is extending this animal class. Okay, and having method as a nature. Okay, and this is one another class which is a dog class, which is extending mammal class, this mammal class. And this is a final inheritance class which having the so this one is the inheritance class which having the main method. Okay, so what we will do here, like we will create an object of this class, dog class. Okay, and we will call each of these methods. So in this dog class, which is extending mammal, having this method will be available in this class. Okay, as this is extending this class. Okay, mammal class is dog is extending mammal, so nature will be here available here in dog class, and indirectly so each method will be available here also because it is extending animal class. Okay, mammal is already extending animal, so basically it is nothing but a multi-level inheritance. So mammal is extending animal and dog is extending mammal. Okay, so let's create a object of this child class, which is a lower child. Okay, so after creating the dog class object, we will get all the methods here. Like we can call this it method from here, and nature method is also available here. Okay, and the sound is there. Okay, so this is how we can achieve the x inheritance. Okay, so using extends keyword. All right. Okay, so let's move to the polymorphism. Okay, so polymorphism means one method having multiple forms. Okay, so here we can see the class area, like circle area having one method called area. Okay, square area having one method called area. Okay, different classes having different, like same method name with the different parameters. Okay, and the type is also different, like the methods name are same. Okay, but the parameters list are different. Okay, it is accepting double, it is accepting integer, it is accepting two integers. Okay, so and this is also accepting two integers. Okay, and they will going to return, so they will going to return area, like area of triangle, area of rectangle, area of square. Okay, and area of circle, like that. And there is one more class which having main method, so class execution will start from here. Okay, so we will create object of each class, like circle area, square area, rectangle and triangle area, and we will call each method like area method from each class, like circle area dot area, which is expanding one parameter. Okay, so we will see this one, which is expecting one parameter, which is in double. Okay, so and this one like square area is expecting one parameter, which is integer. So see here, integer, it will return this one, area of the square. Area of rectangle going to return the area of rectangle, which is expecting two parameters. Okay, this method name are same, but the parameter lists are different and the types are also different. Okay, so this is called polymorphism, is one method having different forms. Okay, so method name is same, but it is depend on the number of parameters and the types of parameter. It is returning circle, square, rectangle and triangle area. Okay, this is called as polymorphism concept. Okay, so hope you are clear. Like I'm trying to explain my best in a simple way. Okay, so okay, that's it for this video. So if you having any comments, so please do let me know. So and if you like this video, okay, and then gives a thumbs up. Okay, subscribe the channel and share it to your friends. Okay, So I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.